Hi guys, so I am back and I'm going to play this because I want you to see I want you to see this video excuse me, while I am going to be talking about the little giveaway that I am going to be hosting right now. It is my 150 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much, so much. I missed the 100 mark. I have so much going on, you know, sometimes, and I totally missed it, but I wanted to come and do the 150 and I hit it. So thank you so much for your support, and I can't believe I hit 150 already. So thank you. I have partnered up with the lovely Eileen from Seneca Pond Crafts, and she has so graciously she's hosting this giveaway. So what I'm showing you right now is a sample of the journal that I will be giving away. It is going to be a soft cover 9x6 journal with the kit of your choosing. The only thing you have to do is hop on to her website on Etsy, and I'm gonna leave the hyperlink in the description box below. Just hop on over, and on the left hand corner you're going to see under her categories it says kits and books. Click on there. It's going to take you to all of her full kits. She has many beautiful things there, many beautiful things, believe me. But for her journal kits, just click on that, browse through them, see what kit you want me to use in the event that you are the winner, and come back to this video and just in the comment section below give me the name of the kit. Just type it in and automatically that will enter you into the drawing. Okay, that's all you need to do. So the contest, or the giveaway I should say, because it's not a contest, it's a giveaway. The giveaway starts right now, and it is going to be open international, so everybody overseas can participate in it. And I am going to have it open until March 9th. Okay, the 9th of March 9th, and I will announce the winner on the 11th of March. And let's see what else. You must be a subscriber, and you have to be 18 years or older. Okay, now if you do a video response to this video, I will enter your name 3 times. Okay, and I am going to be using a random name picker. Okay, just random. So just like I did on my last giveaway for my other channel that I have, when I had my 7,000 subscriber or my 7,500 subscriber giveaway, this is what I'm gonna do for this one, because I know a lot of views came from my other channel. Do a video response and I'll enter your name 3 times. Let's see. So yeah, that's basically it. So I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you, and I appreciate your support. You have no idea how much, because I have discovered a real love, you know, a real love for this this community, and a real love for junk journaling, and it's an escape for me. A lot goes on behind the cameras, and this is a real escape for me. So thank you so much for your comments and for your support to my channel and my business. I truly appreciate it. So let's see, anything else I wanted to mention. And thank you, Eileen, for hosting this giveaway. I appreciate you. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to be keeping my my name out of the comment section. I know I like to comment back when you guys leave me a comment, but this time I'm not, so that I keep my comments, you know, only with your comments in it, it's easier for me to, when it comes time to, you know, do the random copy and paste onto the program that I use, you know, to do the drawing. So I will heart it. I'm gonna leave a little heart next to the comment so you guys know I read it, but it's easier instead of me having to go in there and delete all of my comments. So for this particular video, I'm not going to be commenting back, okay guys? But don't think that I'm being all, you know, snotty or nothing. Let me see what else. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So hop on to Seneca Pond Crafts, look at her kits, come back to the video, write down the name of the kit that you want me to use to make your journal in the event that you are the winner. And if you make a video response, I'll enter your name 3 times, so your chances of winning are higher. And that is it. And what you're seeing here is a sample of what you will be more or less getting. All right, a 1 signature 9x6 journal, most likely covered in fabric. I will be making it most likely with a covered in fabric manila envelope. I love using those. They're nice and sturdy, and they just feel good. So all right guys, thank you so much again, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.